Hello everyone. Today Sheru is learning to get on a big car. Actually, I have recently changed my car, and that is just because of this big boy, because he was struggling a lot in the small car which I was having, Honda Civic, earlier, and I think lots of you have already seen that car. I recently sold that and got Ford Explorer 2010 model. That's a 7-seater car, and I laid down the the rear seats, the last ones, so I have enough space for him to sit and sleep and stand, So let's try and see that how he reacts on a big car, because that's tall for him. It's not like Civic. The Civic is very low to the ground, and that has got already big ground clearance. So I'm expecting that that's I think it's a 2.5 feet. So let's see that how he reacts. It's locked. Hey, boy, wait. Okay, you're off leash. Get on. Okay, come here. Good boy. So he learned very well, actually, because he was sniffing the car around when I brought him to the car, and he was sniffing the car around. So I made him more comfortable to the car. So he was thinking that this car is mine, and I requested my wife to just take him on leash. By the time I sat in the car and I drove around, so he knew that this is our new car because my owner is driving this car, and I also have to get onto the car. So I will show you now how he is comfortable and he is sniffing around. That's your car, baby. Hey, good boy. Let me push the ISO a bit. You stay there, baby. You stay there. That's your car. I'm so happy that he learned so fast. If you see him, you might see some noise in the video, but this how he is sitting, and he jumped immediately. I was very surprised that he learned so fast. That's big boy. That's big boy. Okay, now let's try and tell him to get down. Actually, I'm also thinking to help him while he's getting down, because I don't want him to hurt his front legs. Okay, get down. Good boy. Come here, Sheru. Come here. Get down. Good boy. Hey, come here. Get down. Good boy. Come here. Good boy. You're a good boy. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. That's your car. So I'm so happy. I was thinking that I might struggle to get him on the car and got him down, but he's so comfortable. He's jumping up and coming down easily. So thumbs up. I'm not sure whether you can hear me well or not, and it's the first drive of Sheru in this car. I recently got it, as I explained, in the parking lot. I just took him around to play, and because the weather is good this time, and I'm very close to my area. The tower behind, you can see me, that's my tower. I live in the same tower, and this is basically the area where Sheru plays, and he comes to do his business. The reason to pull out the camera and speak to you guys is that I will just show you around my car. If you are struggling with the big dog and small car, and then I think this is the best option. And the other thing is, the good thing about this car, it is 4x4.